Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to add reference image in Midjourney. So adding a reference image in Midjourney is a great way to guide the AI creative process, and in this video I'm going to walk you through on how you can do it. So to get started, upload your image to Discord. Then in Midjourney Discord server, click the plus icon next to the text bar, then select upload a file and choose the image you want to use as a preference. Then press enter to upload the image, then copy the image image link. Then once the image is uploaded, then right click on it and select copy link or copy media link on mobile. You can also use the image / command just to do that. Then in the text bar, type / image followed by the copied image link, then add a comma, then your descriptive text prompt. Then for example, /image, which is the http /example.com, which is the image link, /image.jpg, a futuristic cityscape with a glowing neon light. Adjust image weight and optional. Then if you want the reference image to have more influence on the final results, you can use the IW parameter, which is a prompt / into bracket image weight, for example. Then you can also put the prompt in the image, which is in the video, which is image http /example, which is the URL /image.jpg. Then you can also add the prompt, then submit the prompt and wait for Midjourney to generate the image, review the result and refine them as needed. And that's a simple guide on how to add reference image in Midjourney. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow.